The Carlsbad Environmental Monitoring and Research Center, also known as CEMRC, is a branch of New Mexico State University's College of Engineering. CEMRC plays a vital role in the independent monitoring of the environment and human health, focusing on radiological and chemical analysis.
CEMRC is providing the independent environmental monitoring. So in other words, we monitor any environmental medium that potentially could be impacted by any radioactive releases.
Well, we are monitoring the environment around the website for potential radiation that may have been released from the website.
Implied by the name, CEMRC is located in Carlsbad, New Mexico, just miles away from the U.S. Department of Energy's Waste Isolation Pilot Plant, or WIPP, the nation's only deep geological repository for nuclear waste.
Beginning in March of 1999, the first shipment of nuclear waste arrived at the website, which is about 33 miles southeast of Carlsbad, New Mexico. So all this waste has been accumulating now. It's being collected and saved at WIPP.
The website is run by the United States Department of Energy, and it is a nuclear waste repository deep in the underground, so like 2,000 feet below the surface. They take all their waste from nuclear weapons manufacturing and they store it down there, hopefully for the end of time.
Because the waste at the WIPP site is staying there forever, CEMRC must conduct cutting-edge research on radiological safety, environmental chemistry, and nuclear waste mitigation.
I work for field programs. We collect samples about soils, vegetation, drinking water, surface water. We are looking for any contamination coming from the mine, so the air to go through the filters is the same air that the mine people are breathing. So we're looking for any contamination to see if it is safe to be underground.
So after we receive the sample from the field programs, we analyze them to detect any heavy metals like calcium, magnesium. We can detect up to like 35 metals. So we try to analyze the sample to make sure that our environment is safe to stay, for the drinking water, the surface water, and also for the air quality.
Its partnerships with national labs and government agencies allow it to ensure the safety and sustainability of nuclear waste storage and environmental protection.
If for some reason, very unlikely reason, there was some release of radiation from their activities, we would want to know about it so that people could take steps to protect themselves, we could take steps to potentially clean it up, and all that.
Basically, we're the ones who provide the independent environmental monitoring. And if there were any accidents or any accidental release of radioactive materials, we were the first ones to know and let people know accordingly.
To learn more about CEMRC, request data, or find areas for collaboration, visit cemrc.nmsu.edu.